In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and avoid tolls on Google Maps. Let's say we are traveling from the Nairobi National Museum, right? So enter your first location to, let's say we are going to Westgate Mall, right? I'll enter this, so we'll look for directions. And now what you basically need to do, as you can see right now, they may direct us to use some tolls. Sometimes. So this is actually a problem I faced. And to fix this, it's really easy and simple. You just come here and click on options. And here you'll see the route options. You can go ahead and click on this, toggle this one on if you want to avoid any tolls. So if I toggle this one on, it will go ahead and get me a new direction. But this one would not have any tolls. And it's really that easy and simple.